Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by deciding what this journal must do for you and why. That clarity guides every choice. Pick paper and size, dotted for flexibility, lined for notes, then set one primary intent, such as planning or reflection. Once done, immediately create an index on the first page and number your pages so you can always find entries. Make a simple daily space, 1/2 page per day for rapid logs. Start now. Make the first dated entry for today. You now establish a reliable daily routine that keeps the journal useful instead of decorative. Begin each day with a 3-part header: top 3 priorities, quick notes, and 1 measurable habit to track. Use bullets for actions and 1 short reflection of 3 to 4 sentences in the evening. This is the why behind what you did. Once done, tag the entry with a short code like P for priority or H for habit and update the index. This creates searchable, actionable records. You finish each cycle with a short review and tweak session so the system stays alive. Once a week, scan recent pages, migrate unfinished tasks, and mark successes. Update the index so retrieval is instant. If you hit a stall, shorten sessions to 3 minutes and force write 1 item. Momentum returns faster than you expect. Make small adjustments. Add tabs, color code key sections, and always keep a pen attached to the book. That prevents lost pages and preserves continuity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.